Unahin na natin sila. Unahin na natin sa mga pangalan ng mga senador at mga kongresista. Number 1, ito na. As promised to you, we are going to bring you the names of 3 senators and 15 congressmen. Although makiusap lang ako sa inyo, hindi ko lang babanggitin yung dalawa sa 18 dahil they happen to be located in Mindanao. At in deference to the fact na alam nyo naman how things can go sa Mindanao, baka pwede tayo yariin doon. Anyway, you are free to go to the link sa source material natin. Pero babanggitin natin yung 16, ha, 16. Kayo na bahala pumunta sa link. Ilalagay ko ang link dito sa kuan natin, ha, ng Philippine Center for Investigative Journalism. Ha, ang source material natin ay Philippine Center for Investigative Journalism. Gumawa sila ng investigative report kung saan pinangalanan nila ang 3 senador at 15 na kongresista na either meron mga construction company na pinamumunuan nila o sila ang may-ari at or yung mga kongresista at senador na may kaugnayan o linkage sa mga contractors or construction company. So yan, ha. Itong lista galing ito sa investigative report ng Philippine Center for Investigative Journalism. Ang hindi pa nakakaalam kung ano ba itong Philippine Center for Investigative Journalism ay ito ay non-profit media organization na engage in investigative journalism based ito sa Quezon City, established right after the EDSA People Power. Ha? At gumawa na sila ng 1,000 investigative reports, kaya siguro sa inyo, yung iba sa inyo, familiar na ang pangalan nila, at nag-publish na sila ng 1,000 articles sa various newspapers, including yung Philippine Daily Inquirer ni Vlogcaster, ha. At ang original founder nito ay ito sila mga big shot, mga multi-awarded journalists. Sila Sheila Coronel, mga kaibigan rin natin. Petronilo Daroy, si Lorna Calao Tirol, Malu Mangahas, Horacio Howard Severino, si Rosario Tañedo, si Marites Bitug, si Virgilio Bitug. Yan, ha. At ang dami nilang expose at ang dami na rin silang award nanalo. Kasama kagaya ng award rin na nanalo si Bat, to include the Catholic Mass Media Award, the Jaime V. Ongpin Awards for Investigative Journalism na pinanalunan rin natin ito sa kuan natin nung nasa Inquirer tayo, nung in-expose natin yung first time yung pork barrel anomalies. At nanalo rin sila nung French award na Kate Webb Award. Yun. Daming awards, ha. At ang staff nila ngayon, ang chairman ay si Sheila Coronel pa rin, although sa tingin ko nag-aaral ata ito sa Amerika, nag-postgraduate studies, and then si Vice Chair Lan Mercado, and then members si Lali M. Caedo, yun, Dominic Danao, John Neri, Howie Severino pa rin, yung reporter, ha? Active pa rin sa media. Yan, ha? So, gumawa sila ng investigative report kasi kagaya nyo, nabibitin na rin sila sa walang kwentang hearing dito sa Senado. Pakinggan natin kung may pangalan na ba. Pero wala pa eh. Number 1, Francis Cheese Escudero, Centerways Construction and Development Incorporated. Number 2, Joel Villanueva, New San Jose Builders Incorporated. Number 3, Christopher Lawrence Go ng ang company CLTG Builders, and CLTG stands for Christopher Lawrence T. Go. ng tatay niya at kapatid niya. Number 4, Elizaldo Co of Ako Bicol. Alam nyo na. Sunwest, ang company, Sunwest Incorporated, Hightone Construction and Development Corporation, FS Company Builders and Supply. Number 4, Congressman Ferdinand Beltran of the Magbubukid Party List, nagtatanim ng pera. Ang pangalan, Third Star Builders Contractors. Number 6, Edwin Guardiola, CWS Party List. Ang company, Newington Builders, formerly E. Guardiola Construction, Laurel Development Corporation, S-Ang Construction and General Trading Incorporated. Number 7, number 8, pakiusap ko na lang sa inyo. Mawawala si Vlogcaster. Kung banggitin ko to, alam nyo naman kami sa Mindanao. Paano kami, anong patakaran ng mga politiko doon. Iba talaga dito, iba. Number 9, Ramon Jolo Revilla, Cavite First District, Construction Company, Graya Construction Corporation. According to the records ng PCIJ, again. Number 10, Congresswoman Lani Mercado of the 2nd District of Cavite. Ang construction na naman, Graya Construction Corporation, sister-in-law niya. Number 11, Agimat Party List Representative Brian Revilla, Construction Company, Graya Construction Corporation, again, auntie niya may-ari. Number 12, One Rider Party List Representative Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez, ang company, Alro Construction and Development Corporation. Number 13, Pusong Pinoy Party List Representative Jerny Jet Nisay, Congressman Jerny Jet Nisay. Pangalan ng company niya, JVN Construction and Trading. Number 14, Kalinga Lone District Representative Caroline Agyao, ang company, BHM Construction. Number 15, Albay 2nd District Representative Carlos Loria, ang company, Macapa Corporation. Number 16, Bulacan 2nd District Rep. Agustina Pancho. Pangalan, CM Pancho Construction Incorporated. Number 17, Cristina Angeles. Cristina Angeles, Tarlac 2nd District Representative. Ang company, Northern Builders Construction. Number 18, Micaela Gonzalez, Representative of the Pampanga 3rd Congressional District. Ang company, AD Gonzalez Jr. Construction and Trading Incorporated. Yan. This is according to the records or to the expose of the Philippine Center for Investigative Journalism.